The stock of Nvidia Corporation jumped more than 3.5% on Friday morning and kept rising after market hours. This opinion is consistent with Barclays' overweight rating on the company and their upward price target change for Nvidia, which went from $160 to $175. It is anticipated that Nvidia's new Blackwell graphics processing unit will significantly increase Barclays' revenue. Though some analysts continue to keep a lid on things, the tone is mostly favorable. For instance, Gil Luria, an analyst at D.A. Davidson, cites supply-side interruptions and competition from firms creating their own chips as possible obstacles that might lower Nvidia's market share. The performance of Nvidia's stock price reflects a cautious approach to the market environment and a restricted level of optimism over its AI development. So, what implications does this have for Nvidia's stock? Let's explore that. But first, a big thank you to those of you who've stuck with us this far. Creating these videos takes significant effort and dedication, so if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts on Nvidia stock in the comments. Your support truly helps us grow. Now, let's get back to the video.
So at this point now, on the correction time, you talk about 15, 20%, that is more of a reset and it's a buying opportunity. And you said right now you're risk on in growth. When there's a pullback, right, you see a big sell-off day, what do you buy?
So we're going to buy, our favorite name is Nvidia. And I think if we do see a 15 to 20% correction in the S&P, and for full disclosure, we own Nvidia right now. It's one of our biggest holdings. I would expect a name like that to lose at least 30 to 40% of its value. So we would look at names like Nvidia, look at Palantir, again, focusing on mega cap tech because I think technology is going to continue to lead. And then there'll be other areas that come up that we don't even have on our radar right now. But those are the types of names that are going to have leadership in the AI space because the AI boom is real, and I think it's going to lead us to a very prosperous decade. We're just got to navigate this so-called air pocket that we're worried about.
Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, announced on Friday that he will travel for Lunar New Year celebrations with his staff and their families instead of attending the inauguration of U.S. President-elect Donald Trump on January 20th. Huang told reporters outside of Nvidia's Taipei New Year's celebration that he has not yet discussed the new AI export restriction regulations that the departing government of President Joe Biden released earlier this week with Trump's incoming administration. But when the Trump administration takes office, I'm excited to congratulate them, Huang added. The CEO also acknowledged that he had just met with C.C. Wei, chairman of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. TSMC, a major supplier to Nvidia, to discuss increasing manufacturing of the company's most recent AI chips, called Blackwell. With a market valuation of over $3 trillion, Santa Clara, California-based Nvidia is already one of the most valuable firms in the world. However, new U.S. government limits on the export of AI chips present hurdles for the company. The rules announced on January 13 by the Biden administration prohibit exports to the majority of nations, with the exception of a few U.S. allies, such as Taiwan, while preserving limitations on shipments to China. Nvidia blasted the proposed restrictions on Monday, stating that stricter rules would jeopardize American dominance in AI. Although the Trump administration's enforcement strategy is yet unknown, both administrations have adopted a similar position on China's access to cutting-edge semiconductor technology. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input helps create a more knowledgeable community where we can all learn and grow together in the world of investing. Stay up to date with the latest market trends, insights, and key updates by subscribing to Investing Tutorial. We're here to help you make smarter investment decisions and stay ahead of the curve.